Namaste and a very warm welcome to our channel Rusty Traders. With this video, we kick off a new segment wherein we study a few stocks for the week lying ahead. Before we begin, let us understand that the whole content that is shared here is for information and study purposes only. One should do their due diligence and consult their financial advisor before taking any buy or sell decisions. So let's start. So in this video, we are going to cover buy and sell ideas for the week lying ahead. So the first buy idea for the week is Bharti Airtel with a stop loss that is placed at 450. One could probably see targets in a range of 496 to 500. The second buy idea for the week is Britannia Industries with a stop loss placed at 3440. One might see probable targets of 3590. The third buy idea for the week is Lupin Pharmaceuticals with a stop loss placed at 853. One might see targets of 940 or maybe 947 as well. Going to the sell ideas for the week, one might sell ACC placing stop loss at 1699 and could see targets of 1640 to 1638. Another sell idea for the week is Tata Communications with a stop loss that is placed at 1066 with probable targets placed at 976 or even 972. Before I end, there are a few important points that one should consider. Always have a thorough risk management strategy in place. When I say risk management strategy, as I have already discussed in my previous videos, one should always have a proper understanding of risk reward, position size, the entry price before one takes the leap. Once the target is achieved, one should not re-enter. If you did not take a trade and the target got achieved, then also you are not supposed to take the trade. Or if you took a trade, it achieved your target, and if somehow it came down, in that case also do not re-enter. I am just talking about the present situation, which means, let's say, take an example of Bharti Airtel. If you entered at, let's say, 470, just an example, just an example, you entered at 470, it touched the targets of 496, 500. So ideally you're supposed to move out of the trade, book your profits. And then again, if it came down to 470, there is a natural tendency of entering. I personally generally would avoid doing that for the week, because the study here is only for this particular week. So as I've reiterated, whatever stocks that we have discussed is only valid for this particular week, which extends till Friday, which is the 20th November 2020. And one important point that I never miss in my trade is putting stop losses. Always, always, always have stop losses in place. Never, never violate this discipline. On that note, we end this video. I would suggest that you make a note of the stocks that we have mentioned, the targets and the stop losses, and just make a note as to which of them actually did what they were supposed to, which of them hit the targets, which of them hit the stop losses, which ones did not do either of them, which means they did not hit the stop losses nor did they hit the targets. So just keep a note of it, and probably it might be useful in the journey going forward. If you like this video, please share and subscribe it. And I wish you a great trading week ahead. Cheers. Goodbye.